As a senior and a residential advisor, Naomi's here to show you around and tell you what she loves about living on this beautiful campus. There's way more to college life than academics, and the best colleges nurture a balance between living and learning. Take it away, Naomi.
Thanks so much, Alex. I grew up in Washington State, but I dreamed about going to college in New York, and being so close to Manhattan is what drew me to Sarah Lawrence. I'm a senior now, and I've studied mainly acting and writing, but I've also taken multiple courses in psychology, neuroscience, and LGBTQ studies. The most surprising thing for me, however, was how much I enjoyed my involvement with residential life. I've been a residential advisor for 3 years. Being an RA has provided me with both professional development and a sense of belonging at Sarah Lawrence, as I made many of my closest friends during the RA training sessions, which begin before the semester starts. The week before school starts in the fall often feels like summer camp, with water balloon fights and designing bulletin boards between sessions on conflict resolution and community building. I've lived in a couple of the dorms here at Sarah Lawrence, and they're all delightfully unique, but no matter where you live on campus, chances are you'll run into friends hanging out on the lawn, walking to class, and mingling in the Barbara Walters Campus Center. Living at SLC is to live among friends. It's easy to feel a part of the community here, as there are hundreds of clubs, student publications, committees, sports, shows, and activities to support and invest your time in. While I'll miss Sarah Lawrence when I graduate, I'm excited to soon join a tight-knit community of SLC alumni, many of whom remain actively involved with the college and offer resources and support to current students. Sarah Lawrence has taught me the importance of community and collaboration, which will impact both my creative endeavors and my personal happiness for a lifetime. Well, thanks for chatting with me. You can have him back now, Alex.
What a cool place to live, Naomi. Now, over 85% of Sarah Lawrence students live on campus, and there's so many styles of housing available, from traditional dorms to converted houses, with plenty of green spaces and cozy gathering spots to connect and create. Thanks again.